Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake your Alchemy Pay ACH tokens on SNX exchange and earn up to 100% APY on ACH tokens. Okay, so that's all in this video I am coming about. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any update. Okay, so actually you can stake your ACH tokens on Binance exchange, but on Binance exchange the product is actually sold out. You can see that this product is sold out. You can't stake your ACH tokens on Binance. Okay, but in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake your ACH tokens on SNX exchange and earn 100% APY. So make sure to create account through my link in the description. So after you create account on SNX exchange, okay, so just open the SNX app, and here you can see this interface. So just click on here SNX earn button. Okay, you can see the SNX earn button. Just click on here and you can see all the available tokens, coins that you can stake here. Okay, so if you don't able to find ACH token, just here you can see there is a search bar. Just search here ACH token and you can see that ACH token appears and you will earn 100% APY on ACH token. And this is new ACH token. SNX recently announced this staking. Okay, so I just click on here and here you can see all the details. It is a pre-staking program. It means that this staking is provided by SNX exchange and the Alchemy Pay team, okay, together. So the redemption time is 14 days. This is a flexible term. Okay, so make sure to notice minimum tokens. Okay, so you can stake a minimum 1000 ACH tokens. So if I let's say if I have 5000 ACH tokens, okay, so if you want to stake, just click on here and you will earn, if you stake 5000 tokens, you will earn 5000 tokens. That's a very good pretty deal. And you just have to enter your tokens, and here you can see you just have to click on I have read the rules and just click on confirm button to stake ACH token. But make sure to click on here and make sure to read this. So if you want to, you can see that if you want to regular redemption time is 14 days. If you want to unstake your tokens will be unstaked within 14 days. But if you want to stake is instantly, okay, you can see received in real time. You will get your tokens in real time, but you have to pay a small fee which is about equal to 5%. so make sure you have read this, and here you can see all the rules. You can actually read all the rules that are here available. Okay, so that's all this video, that how you can stake your ACH tokens right now on SNX exchange. So make sure to create account through my link and you will get extra benefit. Okay.